Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? Guys, you are so very welcome. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, my name is Fumidesaluvold. Yes. Welcome to Positivity, Fabulosity, and Girl Chat. Yes, I'm feeling kind of runway fabulous. It's just, different shades of green. It's giving me runway. This is just like a simple hairstyle. Let me turn it around so you can see. I just pulled it up on the side and just put a clip. That's it, basically. That is it. And then it just kind of dances on the side. And it's kind of different shades of green. Emerald green, olive green, aqua blue green, green. I just thought, why not? Do we love? The dress, it's a dress. It's by Zara and it's so pretty. Let me get up and show you. There we go. It's really pretty, and then look at, it's got the panels in this side here. So it's a gorgeous dress, and it's a maxi dress. I should start doing photo shoots. I don't know, maybe I'll start. But anyway, today's sister to sister is quite interesting. Let me play the clip.
Don't let that phone wreck your home. So many times women want to find out, well, who's he talking to? What's he doing? Listen, if a man is a good provider and a good father, stop worrying about what he is doing. As my father once said, that if you go looking for trouble, you're going to find it. And then what you're going to do when you get a hold of it, take that extra time that you want to snoop and invest it in yourself. Go work out, work with your children, make your home a pleasant place for you to be and for your children to be. Listen, you cannot miss what you cannot measure. Stop going to look for trouble, because what you're going to do is you're going to give the keys to your kingdom to the outside woman. Let that cleanup woman stay out there. That's her job, to clean up the leftovers. But remember, what's on this phone can wreck your home. The choice is yours. Leave it alone.
Seriously though, guys, she is really right. What, for me? She's absolutely right. From where she's coming from, mentally, she's absolutely right. This is a whole couple of generations back. And let me start to applaud women. How far we've come. How far that we do not have to be silenced. That we don't have to compromise ourselves anymore. She's from a couple of generations ago. Yeah. Where in those days, women really just didn't have work, jobs, or financial stability, nor independence. This is where it came from. Where a man provided for the home completely. And so he weaponized that position to go out and sleep with other women. And you shut up because you are lucky I picked you and your babies to bring them up in here and take care of you. Yes, I've heard it before. Their children that he has with the woman, he'll say, you and your babies, I'll throw you out. And again, that's if you had a secretarial job or you were a nurse. How much were you earning to support yourself and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 children? Back in the day, that's how many children they were having. So of course you be quiet. You don't even pick up his phone. You're not in any position to pick up his phone. You pick up his phone alone, you can get slapped. Dare I say, even picking up his phone. Woo, child. You don't have anything to say. Because you can't let him know that you picked up the phone. Where's your phone at? You don't have a phone. You can't afford a phone. You're lucky if you can get enough money for the groceries for the week, for the children, miscellaneous and like. And then you have like little side jobs doing the hair and all of these things. How far we have come. I have my own phone. Do we love? Do we live? It's a little fabulous little bag from H&M. Yeah. How far we have come. We have our own phone. We have our own businesses. We are earning money. In this day and age, that wouldn't fly. Because in other words, she's saying that you have to keep quiet if your man is cheating on you. That if you go looking for something, you'll find it. What kind of man did you marry? What kind of nonsense is that? I'm sorry, sis. With the deepest respect, that is ageist. It no longer applies in this day and age. And you should not teach your daughters, nieces, sisters any more of this gibberish. It is outdated. Outdated. Nobody is falling for that. Nobody should fall for that. If you are married, if you are dating, if you are seeing somebody, if you're exclusive to each other, he should be loyal to you. He can't be loyal to you. There's the door. You can go. That is why it's important for ladies of this day and age, have your money, have your finances together. There was a fabulous Fumi Nation. She sent me some priceless information. Priceless information. Girlfriend is saving her money and investing. I will share that with you in the next episode. But when I tell you I love Fumi Nation, oh my God, she's a banker. She's been a banker for about 25 years. And she just so happened to watch this. When I tell you, Fumi Nation, you are doctors, you are lawyers, you are accountants, you are bankers. I am so honored. I'm so honored that you come and you take that time to just escape and have fun in this space. And so, you know, I owe you everything. And I'm telling you here and now, mommy right here, she is not giving you the best advice. If you feel that you have to check your husband's phone, just to double check one or two things, you go ahead and check. Tell them I sent you. Fumi on YouTube. Fumi on YouTube so that I can check your phone. Yup. Let them know. Let them come to me and I'll say, why not? Why not? I have locks on my phone when I'm going out. When I'm in the house, Ula, pick up my phone now because I cannot get to the phone. So he'll be like, your phone is ringing. I said, Ula, why don't you just answer it? Or at least press answer so that I can say, I'm coming, I'm coming. You should not hide anything. That is the root and the foundation to a disastrous relationship. Never mind a marriage. That's a disastrous situation where you can't trust your man. You can't trust him, that you have to go out looking. Oh, no, 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 no. You got to go. I don't stand for that. That is a red flag. Mama right here is a red flag. I can't believe that she actually went public with this, thinking that she was saying the right thing. Everybody would do something for TikTok. But that's bad advice. That is very, very, very bad advice. I'm not telling you to go snooping. Absolutely not. But if you need to snoop so that you can strengthen your case when you bring it to him or her, as the case may be, go right ahead, mama, do your thing. You got to be FBI, CIA, MI6 before you give that ring up, before you become exclusive. Can you just imagine? You were on the shelf, admired by many. You came off that market shelf to be with this guy who said he would be A, B, and C to you. And he's turning out to be a fraud. He's sharing the family income with some other woman. That's not going to fly. Don't fight with the woman. That's another thing. We think, oh, you know what? She's this, she's that. That's not right. That's so wrong. And you're wasting your time investing in somebody who might not really mean that much to him because he is a constant cheater. Not who he's cheating with. Empathize with her because we don't know what he told her. So don't worry about her. Deal with him. I see it all the time. You're fighting over a guy. Doesn't make sense. You're not fighting the guy. You're fighting over him. And he's sitting back like, wow, I didn't know that would be that easy. That's how they look at us. Stupid. Stupid no more. Stupid no more. Don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the notification button, some super thanks, and I'll see you all later. All of my love, my darlings.